We're a long way from the launch of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but as usual, we've started getting leaks on the device, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra could bring one crazy feature we've all been waiting for. But first off, let's talk about some rumored design changes on the S24 Ultra, as those are going to be the most notable features. The general look of the device is probably going to stay the same, but an area that we might see changes is the camera module. Ever since the S21, Samsung has stuck to a pretty much similar design with small changes in each iteration. The S24 is going to feature one less camera. Samsung is going to be opting in for a game-changing continuous zoom camera. The 3x camera at this point would be needless. The S24 Ultra could look like this. As for the main camera, Samsung is going to stick with a 200 megapixel main with some new software features here and there. Now to the crazy feature that I talked about in the beginning of the video. It's a display that has a fingerprint scanner all over, essentially allowing you to scan your fingerprint anywhere on the screen. But that doesn't end there. The display just might be able to measure your blood pressure and your heart rate as well. Pretty sick, right? So what do you think? Let me know about that in the comment section. I do think it's going to be pretty cool, and I can already think of a number of app ideas for this. All this is going to be made possible by a new OLED display unveiled by Samsung Displays. This seems like an amazing breakthrough, and it's going to be very possible that we could see this on the S24 Ultra if the tech is ready. Also, at this point, Samsung would be looking forward to bringing a 144Hz refresh rate to the display of the S24 Ultra, as it just seems like the only possible next step at this moment. We've got some news from Ice Universe on the Snapdragon Agent 3, and you know Samsung is going to get a very special version of this chipset as their deal with Qualcomm still stands. In this tweet, he speaks of great efficiency gains in the Snapdragon Agent 3, a very fast GPU in the form of the Adreno 750, which is going to be very fast than the already blazing fast Adreno 740. This chip also speculates great memory upgrades, and as I said earlier, Samsung stands to benefit greatly from this one than any other manufacturer out there. The S24 devices are shaping out to be very formidable competitors against the next iPhone, and I can't wait to see what Samsung pulls off on this one. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be back when I find something new.